everybody, and welcome to day 19. We're almost at the finish line. We just saw Star Wars, The Rise of Skywalker.
We're both fans.
We're both fans. We got a little button. We got a little pin. So that's exciting. Freebies. Well, it costs $30 a ticket, so it's technically not free. But let's get to unboxing. First up, Revolution Makeup. Day number 19 is a circle, which means it'll
just
be very...
like life is a circle.
Life is a circle. Except it has a beginning and it has an end, so...
Not the circle
is this a
of
blush? It's a circle.
That's a real thing.
Life. You're welcome for that singing. I'm going to find a jabby pokey thing to get this circle out. I've located my extractor tool. Okay, so this is what we got on day 19. And it is a pressed highlighter in the shade Bloom. It's very pretty pink color. Let's do a little swatch. That's a very nice pink highlighter. You like that color, Jason?
It's very subtle.
Well, not really.
Subtle pink.
It is a subtle pink. But I'd probably use that just like right here, just on the tops of my cheeks.
Subtly.
Yes, very subtly. Yes. So that was day 19 of the Revolution Makeup calendar. Up next is our Love Lust Disco Box by NYX. Day 19.
That says NYX right there.
Yes, that's what it is, NYX.
Oh.
Day 19 is a long door. What do you think, lip color?
Let me see the door. Or one of those pencils. It's a lip color.
It is a lip color, it looks like. Oh, look at that. Got it out easy peasy. So this is what we got on day 19. It is a Away We Glow. Oh, it's a liquid highlighter, Jason.
For your
in
lips?
the shade... No, honey. In the shade Gold Rush. Let's open it and get a little swatch. I mean... That's a weird sound you're making with your mouth right now.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
The popcorn kernel was stuck.
Oh, that's nice. We got free popcorn too with our movie. Tinkle, tinkle, tinkle. There's your delicious soda pop over there. That is a weird applicator. Although I've never owned a highlighter in a tube
What do they call
before.
that one?
I don't know. Ooh. Ooh. That's a very beautiful gold highlight color.
A pancake applicator.
Yes. Whoop! I dropped everything. So day 19, NYX. So that's 2 highlighters. I wonder what Glossy Box has in store for us today. Day 19. Can you see it? Oh, it's right here at the top.
Oh, that's a big box. A rattly one?
A big, rattly, light feeling box. Let's see what we got. Oh, okay.
Oh.
It's a beauty blender. It is an exclusive blending sponge. I think this is a Glossy Box brand. Okay, so here is what the applicator looks like. It's very, very squishy. I'm going to have to start using foundation, Jason. What do you feel about that?
I don't like that idea.
I like that it's got, you know, to get in all your crevices. Yeah. So I'm going to guess the value of this item at $8.
It's actually twice that price.
$16?
That's what it says, yes.
Oh. Tell me about it.
It's no secret that sponges are the most trusted method of blending makeup, and this little number from Glossy is no exception.
Oh, it's no exception.
Yeah.
Is that all it says?
That's what it says.
Okay. So that was day 19. Let's pick our favorites. I'd much rather have like 5 boxes still, Jason. 3 presents per day just seems terribly disappointing.
Well, compared to the extravaganza you were doing before.
I know. I love extravaganzas.
Like,
so in terms of what I like the best, I really like the color of this pink highlighter. So I'm going to pick that from Revolution. And then the Away We Glow highlighter. And then the Beauty Blender. And that's only because I don't wear foundation. Because I don't do it right. And I don't like looking like a clown. And it goes into my pores. And it gets cakey. So probably I'm just not buying the right foundation. So maybe if I stop being so cheap, or maybe once they start customizing like BoxyCharm and Glossybox, I'll start getting, you know, nice high quality foundations that I can try out without spending an arm and a leg. So there, that was day 19. Thank you for watching. I hope everyone has a great day. And if you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, you can click here to subscribe. And you can click here to watch more videos that you might have missed. And I hope you have a great day. Thank you for watching.